No, no, no. Hey! Oh! What the fuck?
Ow! What are you doing? You little rascal.
Is there a wild animal in our house? Who did this? Did you do this?
Nothing beats a Jet 2 holiday. And right now, you can save £50 first time on the stairs.
Oh my god. So, I'll find out footage. We'll grab him up.
This is just bars.
All right, dogs. If Oliver did it, sing a song.
Phoenix.
Maybe just one. Why not?
Who did?
Who ate the toy?
You just ate an entire chicken parm. A whole chicken. Do you have any idea what we've done? It was $20.
Who did this?
What is this? What is this?
Give up.
He's being a meanie, but he back at it. Quando, you back at it, ain't you? Oye, oye.
Is it comfy yet? No! I'm fast as fuck, boy. Hey, you get down with fiddling.
I'll get it out to you. Pachi! I'm gonna get Pachi. All the time.
Who did this mess? Cody, did you make this mess?
Somebody break your heart. Looking like an angel, but you see. I'm just living my life. There's nothing crazy about me. Shriveled little short dick man. Don't want. Odie May, hey, you've got to be fucking kidding me. Memphis, what you know about me? Big G-L-O-N-A-G-L-E. Hey, yo, boom!
Quit that. No. He said no.
Hey, Louis, what happened?
Huh?
What did you do? What?
Give me a kiss. Give me a kiss.
Wabby wobble.
Clap along if you feel like happiness is.
Who did this? Who did this? Summer.
Please, what is it? I know you don't want to hear it, but it's huge.
love you. We love you.
You were so rude. I don't want to pet you. I pet you for hours already.
Huh?
More?
High five. Too slow.